Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Laxon, and today we're going to be checking out the iPhone 15. Apple had just released the new 15 line of iPhones, so the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, as well as the 15 Pro Max. But in this video, I'm going to be checking out the standard iPhone 15 and the black color option. I didn't prefer any of the other color options. They were nice, but I feel like, I don't know, they were more on the proper light side. It was not something I feel like. So I've got the black one here. This is the packaging for the black one. As you can see, we do have a nice little slim packaging here. Of course, we have a white wallpaper on the standard line, and on the Pro line you actually have a darker wallpaper, so you can see the difference here. This is the standard 15 and this is the 15 Pro Max. Now this is 15 Pro. But yeah, let's open it up. So I've got the black one here. See, we've got the design of the phone itself. We've got the little iPhone here, Apple logo. I feel like all of these will be color matched to your phone, so this is black. But yeah, let's open it up. That's actually nice. That's a nice color. That's a nice black color. It's like a more stealth black. Oh, I like the finish. It's a nice frosted finish this time. I like. Oh, it's nice. Okay, that's a nice black. This is the black from last year on the Pro. There's a bit color difference, as you can see. But this one's got like a frosted finish, which feels nice to the touch. But yeah, let's just put that aside and see what we get in the box. So of course you have your little design by Apple in California. Well, nice of them. Let's open it up. Of course, we have a Sim Ejecting Tool. So this is only available in Europe and in some countries. I know in America you don't get that because the iPhone only comes with eSIM options. So it's a little nice. We still have this in Europe. Of course, you guys a standard document. Of course, your little good Apple sticker, which is always nice to see that. Now, of course, with the new iPhone 15 lineup, Apple has changed to USB-C. So we get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable for the first time on iPhone, and for the first time we are getting a braided cable. Now that, as you can see, that's nice. It's really nice to say that. That's a nice touch of Apple. Not just some cheap USB-C, but a braided Type-C cable. That is nice. I'll give that a prompt to Apple for doing that. But yeah, let's have a look at the phone itself. This black looks nice, and the edges, the edges are really nice. So of course this is aluminum, but the edges are a bit more curved compared to last year. If you look at the 15 here, the 14 Pro, you can see it's more squared. This is more curved. Not sure how well you can see this on camera, but I will give it a try. It's more curved and it feels nice in the hand. This is more boxy, more squared off. For this one, feels nice. Yeah, that's nice. I have to say that. Of course, let's just peel this off as well. That was satisfying. I'm not sure how many times I'm going to see Type-C, but that's a Type-C on the bottom. Of course, you have your speaker growers on the one side. You've got your SIM tray, your volume rockers, your mute switch. And of course, on the standard 15 lines, you get the mute switch, where on the Pro, you actually have a action button this year. So that's a plus thing when you go for the Pro lineup. But on the standards, you get the mute switch. Feels really nice. On the top, nothing much. One side you have your power button. I'm just going to power this on. On the back side you have the camera, and this year on the cameras we have a big improvement. We are moving up in pixel size. all the way from 12 to 48 megapixel camera on the rear. It's the same camera that was on the iPhone 14 Pro last year, which has now come down to the Pro, which is now moved all the way down to the 15, which is really nice, I have to say that, from Apple. And of course you have the island as well, which is nice. So there's a lot of improvements this year on the 15. I've heard a lot of people say that's not a huge difference, but I have to say the 15 actually has a huge upgrade compared to any other phones this year. Because with the Pro lineup, there's some small upgrades, but the 15 actually moves really much. It's actually better than the last year's 14 Pro. And that normally doesn't happen. But yeah, if you haven't watched my unboxing video of the neutral color, make sure you are subscribed to me. Go on my page and you can watch that video if you really want to check it out. And of course, I'll leave it in the description as well so you can watch that video. But yeah, that was a quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro in the black color. As I say, looks nice. I'm happy with the color, and of course I will have a full review of this phone coming up on my channel very soon, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, make sure you hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest video. I'm going to be doing a lot of iPhone 15 and 15 Pro coverage, reviews, cases, accessories, MagSafe's accessories. That's going to be coming a lot this year as well with the Type-C. We're going to be getting a new types of accessories as well from Apple and third parties. So if you don't want to miss out those videos, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. That was a quick unboxing. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest video. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.